Good afternoon, people. Today I'm going to bake a carrot cake. This is a no oven carrot cake, okay? First, we're going to add our dry ingredients. Here we go. For our cake flour, I'll be using 1.5 cup of cake flour. So this is exactly 1.5 cup of cake flour. This is 1 teaspoon. So 1 teaspoon of baking powder and another half teaspoon. So for the baking soda, and that's our all dry ingredients, guys. I'm going to sift this, guys. So walang buhol-buhol. This is the right way to to start baking. So sifted all the dry ingredients, excluding the sugar, because the sugar I'll be using, mix it properly, guys, para ma-mix yung ating salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Then we are going to set aside this mixture. So, ito guys, is-shred natin siya, guys. At ipapakita ko sa inyo katapos, guys, ha. Now, we are going to crack our 3 eggs. So, this is our carrot, guys, ha, shredded. And I will measure it when I'm going to add in our overall mixtures. So, our ingredients, guys, are in room temperature all the time, ha, para okay yung ating cake. So we are going to whisk first our eggs. 3 eggs. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng hand mixer, guys, pero pwede naman hindi. So I'll be preparing it manually. So ito na ating look at. When the eggs turn to yellow, pale yellow, the color, so that's the time, guys, you are going to add our sugar. One cup of white sugar, guys. So, siya nga pala, guys, we are going to add our 1/4 brown sugar in our overall carrot shredded mixture. So, ito. Nilagay ko yung 1/4 cup na brown sugar, guys. So, continue. So, we are going to add our 3/4 cup of oil. Kasi carrot cake ito, guys. Half cup. And the other 1/4. So, and we are going to add our milk, guys. 1/2 cup of milk. Our milk is in room temperature as well. Mag-add tayo ng milk guys if ever our mixture is very dry. Okay? So at this point also guys, we are going to add our cinnamon powder. This is 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And 1 teaspoon also of our vanilla. Or not exactly 1 teaspoon. This is just half teaspoon. Kasi yun na lang ang available ko. Anyway, there is already a cinnamon powder. So, ano lang natin guys, i-mix lang natin until the mixture is totally incorporate, and then let's move on to the next step. Na there is already a cinnamon powder. Okay, now we are going to grab our dry ingredients and make a well. Then we are going to add slowly our wet ingredients and mix. So 1.5 cup shredded carrot. So now we are going to mix guys. Mix. Para ma-incorporate siya. Sarap ito eh. Ito yung favorite ng aking asawa guys, carrot cake. So, i-link ko yung recipe ko guys below guys ha, ng aking description. And you can try this in your house as well. And siya nga pala guys, I think I have now a 500 subscribers. And thank you very much guys for all your supports and understanding and everything. And I always be there for you guys. And for those hindi pa nakapag-subscribe ng aking channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell button guys. Kasi tulong-tulong tayo sa pag-unlad. Ito na yung mixture natin guys. So, ayokong may ano siya. Okay. So, itip it in na natin guys sa ating baking pan. Okay. Carrot cake with cinnamon. So, we will bake this guys around 45 to 1 hour depending on our heat sa ating tinatawag nating improvised oven. So, I'll just bake this guys in my very own cooking pot kasi wala kaming oven dito sa Pinas guys. So, ito lang. So, ilagay ko na ito guys yung ating butter. So now we are going to check at 30 minutes para makita natin ang ating cake guys. So that is it. Commit, cover it back. So it's alright.
sticker.
Oh. So, at 5 minutes, guys, i-check na natin uli ang ating carrot cake. So, the most or the best thing, guys, that you can assure that the carrot cake is cooked, there is nothing in the toothpick. So, nothing here, nothing there. So, our cake is cooked. Okay. So, leave it for 2 minutes, additional 2 minutes. And then, cake is ready. So, once again, guys, our carrot cake is cooked. And we're going to cool it down for a few minutes. Okay?
Pretty much.
Wow. Guys, this is our carrot cake. I am telling to the people that I am having a carrot cake for my dinner. This is my dinner for tonight, guys. Carrot cake. Wow, perfect. Yummy, yummy. So, let's eat, guys. Kain tayo. You can eat. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's have this.
Possibly when you say yummy, or
She understand.
walks.
Yep. It's yummy. At mag-slice muna tayo, guys. Ha? Kasi para makita ninyo, guys, na ang ating trabaho ay hindi lang trabaho. Give me 1 plate first, please. 1 plate. I will just eat carrot cake and a coffee. And that's my tea for tonight. Wow. Guys, oh.
Okay.
I wanna grow old with you. This is a carrot cake.
If I can lift that out like
Carrot cake, guys. Mag-taste tayo, guys, ha? Tikman natin, guys.
ta-da!
Mate, she said, oh! Our dog will also eat. Guys, oh, carrot cake. Kain tayo. The taste is not so much sugary. Mate, this is good for like putting a custard. No?
Yeah,
Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Masaya at maganda. Carrot cake. Hi!